Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to go over how erosion processes on headlands form different coastal landforms. Erosion and weathering processes on headlands produce a range of features including sea caves, sea arches, sea stacks, and sea stumps. How are they created? It first starts with erosion, primarily hydraulic action creating weaknesses in areas that break away in the headland. Hydraulic action refers to the force created by the sea water crashing into the headland, where it is breaking up and dislodging material in the headland. This occurs in areas of the headland with weak zones in the material forming it. Once a crack forms, hydraulic action keeps working in this weaker area. This eventually causes a sea cave to form. In some cases, the erosion of the headland will continue through the whole headland, forming a sea arch. This especially occurs if erosion forms sea caves on both sides of the headland at the same time. When the sea arch collapses, it forms a sea stack separate from the rest of the headland. Continued erosion of the sea stack reduces the height and size of the sea stack, forming what is known as a sea stump. And that concludes this video on the formation of sea caves, sea arches, sea stacks, and sea stumps.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.